Let's make yummiest brownie. For this we are adding dark compound melted and water mixed together. You have to only micro 30 seconds dark compound and water. 125 grams dark compound and 90 ml water. With this we will add 50 grams butter, and mix it nicely with a whisk or hand beater. Then we will add milk maid, 200 grams, again whisk it. We'll add 2 cups of maida, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon soda, half a TSP vanilla essence. I have used Fab vanilla essence. You can use any oil based or regular liquid based vanilla essence. We'll mix it. Mix well all ingredients. See, the batter has came to ribbon consistency. All ribbons have been made. So our batter is ready. We will pour it into rectangular tin and bake it. Never worry about dark compound and water. They will easily micro in your microwave, or melt in your microwave. You only have to do 30 seconds micro and it will get melt. And if you are using double boiler in gas, then put dark compound first, melt it, and then pour water into it and mix nicely. Above this you can add some walnuts, almonds, or any nuts you prefer for brownie. And this is the yummiest brownie recipe for sizzler also. You can use it for sizzling brownie also. I'm pouring some carrots above it. You can pour walnuts, almonds, cherry. The mold is lined with butter paper. You can use oil or butter below it and bake it. We will bake it at 180 for 30 to 35 minutes. So after baking of 35 minutes, our brownie is ready, and this is how it looks. For clean cutting of brownie, you can clean wrap your knife and then you can cut it. So that your brownie don't get extra cuts or anything, we have clean wrap it. Nice fudgy brownie is ready. For more free recipes, follow us on Instagram. Every Sunday we will launch one new recipe. Brownies, cake, cookies, everything.